Pumunta tayo sa Toycon at nakita natin ang makakilala nating Pokemon card vendors. Dahil sa sobrang dala sila magbenta, na-curious tuloy ako. Ano kayang card ang hindi nila ibebenta? Tara, alamin natin.
Okay, so I'm a Lugia fan, so the Lugia Alt Arts not gonna sell. PSA 10, not gonna sell it.
Feeling ko pag etong Mew, pag di ko pa siya nabenta ngayong Toycon, magkikip ko na lang siya kasi promo card siya ng UPC. Tapos very hard to grade.
Ang card na tatago ko forever yung base set na regalo sa akin ng asawa ko. Charizard, base set na Venusaur, tsaka base set na Blastoise. First edition, regalo niya sa akin nung Christmas. So yun yung ikikip ko forever, hindi ko talaga bebenta.
The one card that I would keep forever, siguro in my personal collection, is yung Blaine's Arcanine ko from Gym Challenge. Parang yun yung first big purchase ko. It was like 3K. Tapos sobrang fan kasi ako ng Arcanine. So, tapos parang vintage siya. So parang, oh, this is my first big card. Parang ganun. So that's what started. Then the rest was history na. So parang very, attached na ako dun sa card.
Siguro yung Charizard 151, the SIR, syempre. Of course, kasi wala na akong chance doon sa OG na first edition holo. So, doon na tayo sa modern. The hottest card of Charizard, si Charizard SIR.
Card that I'm gonna keep forever, probably Pikachu promo card, because it's cute. And I like collecting promo cards. Yung from Balde Evolve.
2 cards to. So, yung Pikachu na 151. Kasi ito yung nagpabalik sa akin sa Pokemon. And itong Pikachu EX na to na hyper rare. Kasi na-pull ko to from Surging Sparks na pack.
The card that I'm going to keep forever is the recent purchase that I got from Toycon. It's my first lab. It's a Delcatty from the Platinum. It's a holo and I got this here for a very low cost. So I really love this Pokemon and I'm gonna keep this forever.
Oh my! Siguro, I want to keep forever the Carmine, S-I-R, but in French. Mine in French is Roselle, and the name of my girlfriend is Roselle. And I want it to be in a PSA 10 na slab. It's like a representation that I want to keep my girlfriend forever then, for as long as I could.
Card that I'm not gonna sell is these. It's this one. Actually, these are just extra copies, but this is worth around 3K USD and around 1.8 to 2K USD.